Hello YouTube, I am Jonathan Villanueva, and this will be the train assembly for the red train. So the first thing you'll want to do is the snowplow will just be like the cow catcher for the regular train. So you just have to insert it like this. And then apply. Okay. The next thing we'll want to do, and you already know how to constrain and make that, so, or the regular train. The only new thing here is the train carriage, which the first thing you want to do is you want to make here with here. So there's the first step. And this you will not do. It's just trying to show you what to do. Okay, so next thing we do is we just do this like the regular train body. So you'll just sit right here to here, then apply, and then we do it for all four wheels. I'll just do it for an example. And okay. The next step for the linkage arm will be for both sides of the train carriage. So show you in just one moment. Just because I am doing it for one side, just do it for second side as well. So what I do is insert constraint right here. Yep. Fly. And then here. Then alright there. Let's try the make constraint. And make the bigger one. Okay. And that's all you have to do. And if I did the constraints wrong, you can refer to other YouTube videos. This is just how to show you how to do it. Not going to be there, but it's still the same property for everything. So I hope this helps you, and also remember to do the linkage arm for here as well, and also for the wheels, axle peg, linkage arm, and linkage pegs, you'll want to change them to steel. And also, oh wait, okay. Linkage peg. Sorry, I forgot to do this. Here, right here. Okay. And then we'll just insert them here. Apply. Wait. Cancel. Okay. Chain. Insert. Here. Apply. And then you are finished. So, to go over what I said again, change wheels, axle pegs, linkage arm, and linkage peg to steel. Same thing for cowcatcher for the snowplow. And mate the train bed with the train body, and just add the wheels and the linkage arm here, like how you did here. Then it should work perfectly fine. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this was very informative to you.